When we combine garlic and milk, we are creating a combination that not only provides many health benefits, but also many different medicinal benefits as well. Garlic milk has been used for decades, and even more, for these incredible benefits. It is very easy to make. One simple recipe uses 2 cups of milk, usually 2% milk, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of water, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Take the ingredients and add together and bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiled, reduce heat and let the ingredients simmer together for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Strain and let cool to your desired temperature and enjoy. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of drinking garlic milk regularly. First, garlic milk is an immune system boosting powerhouse. This is because it is loaded with high levels of nutrition, as well as powerful antioxidants, active compounds, and a unique compound known as allicin. The powerful antioxidants can reduce free radicals in the body that can damage the immune system. Also, garlic milk has amazing antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, which can help to reduce the risk of many different types of disease and illness, such as the common cold and flu and their symptoms. Consuming garlic milk can also help to promote heart health and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Due to the many active and potent compounds in garlic, this mixture can help to reduce blood pressure, as studies have shown, especially when garlic milk is consumed regularly. Not only that, but garlic milk can lower both total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol. The high levels of nutrition in milk are also helpful in this regard. For those individuals suffering from joint pain and joint stiffness, garlic milk can be especially helpful. By combining these 2 ingredients, it creates a mixture that has incredible anti-inflammatory properties that not only reduce unwanted joint pain, but specifically reduces inflammation around our joints. The bone-healthy nutrients found in milk, such as calcium, can help to strengthen bones and promote bone health, adding to the benefits this mixture has for our joints and even limiting arthritis symptoms. When garlic milk is consumed regularly, it can have tremendously positive effects for controlling blood sugar levels and provide benefits for those individuals suffering from diabetes. This is because garlic milk can help to maintain good blood glucose levels. Studies have shown that garlic milk helps to not only reduce blood sugar levels, but also reduce triglycerides in the blood, which is often a complication due to diabetes. Garlic milk may also provide benefits related to insulin resistance. Lastly, by consuming garlic milk regularly, it may help to reduce certain types of cancer. This is because of the unique and powerful compounds found in a mixture of both garlic and milk. Garlic is especially helpful in this regard, as studies have shown that the powerful antioxidants, active compounds, and medicinal properties can reduce free radicals and inflammation. Garlic milk is also an incredible immune system booster, as mentioned previously, and can reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Always discuss with your medical practitioner for further treatment and prevention methods in this regard. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.